you're looking at how to make a cooking cash cow channel, which will be going on in just a few seconds, I want to let you know congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end. Taste that. To see if this niche gets the green light stamp of approval or the red light. Subscribe if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube, and check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below if you are interested in making money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make a cooking niche channel, I want to start out by showing you guys a great channel so we could draw some inspiration from. Let's switch over to viewer mode and investigate on YouTube. Now we have to think, what would someone interested in the cooking niche look up? As I scroll down in the search, let's click on a video that catches our attention. I'm going to go with this one. Now what I see in this video is already they're just showing the overnight oats itself. And you can literally find this as free stock footage on websites that you could look up on Google. And they just have some subtitles letting you guys know the 5 easy recipes that they're about to show you. They can even show you footage of just how to actually prepare the meal. And they have some subtitles of the ingredients that you will be needing. There is also a voiceover narrating on what the steps are necessary to make the overnight oats. And you can easily record this on your phone for free. Now let's check out the video's performance. As I scroll down, we can see that the video has over 11 million views. The channel has over 2.5 million subscribers. And there's great engagement as we have over 3,000 comments. Now let's go check out the channel and the type of videos that they're producing. Now in the cooking niche, we have different recipes and different foods to eat that the channel is making videos about. We have their uploads, we have some desserts that they're making, some healthy recipes, and some breakfast recipes. So this is a great channel that talks about all the different cooking tips. I would love to hear from you guys as well. Comment down below, what is your favorite snack to eat? Now let's go check out how their monetization is going. Let's see how many views this channel is getting and how much money they're making through ad revenue alone. As I go into this website, I can now see their channel statistics. As I scroll down, we can see that this channel is getting close to 4 million views just in the past 30 days. And their monthly revenue, they're making over 10,000 for the month as they're getting close to 16,000. And throughout the year, they hit the 6-figure mark as they're getting close to 200,000 just in ad revenue. We can see that there is an audience interested in cooking recipes, and to make the videos, you didn't even need to show your face on how to make the food. If you're enjoying the content so far, I would appreciate you guys leaving a thumbs up. Now let's go see just how easy these videos are to make. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. Taste that. Ooh, looking scrumptious. Making a video is like putting together your favorite dish. How'd I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Now it is time to decide, does this niche get the green light stamp of approval or the red light? I would say that the cooking niche does get the yellow light. All this means is that you can still be successful with this channel, you just have to be aware of some things. There is a large demand for these kind of videos, but you also have to know that cooking on video has been around for a very long time. So the chances of you running into some competition is very likely. I would say that you just need to be really creative with the way you present your content and try to be as specific as you can with your sub niche. A bonus is that these videos are very easy to make. YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for this niche. Now I do want to let you guys know that you can use the videos and the channels that we went over in this video as inspiration, but try not to copy them, be as original and creative within your own content. This is also just one niche, so stick around as we're going to be exploring even more niches to see if they get the green light or the red light. Let's say you want to do this niche. You now have two options. Option A, you can do it yourself, but you also run into the possibility of wasting your time as you're trying to figure out how to do YouTube correctly. And you have option B, the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with YouTube automation. If you're looking for that step-by-step guide, I highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here as we're going to explore if the next niche is profitable or not. Subscribe to Tube Great if you want to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below, as it is my #1 recommended way to make money with YouTube. Peace out.